how to see music history on Spotify. So if you want to see your music's history on Spotify, normally if you're using the mobile or the app, the only way we can find out one of our histories is by going to recently played section. So right on the home page, as long as you navigate, you'll find the recently played playlist and the songs, or you can go to the show all button right here and you will see all the recently played songs and playlists right there. But for some of you, this is not quite a satisfactory results. Right now, unfortunately, Spotify removed many ways to view our history. But do not worry, we've still got a solution. Just open your browser again and go to statsforspotify.com, which is one of the best websites for viewing your Spotify stats. Once there, you want to log into the Spotify account. In my case, I have already logged into my account right there. Now, once you've logged into this website, you want to go to this option that says recently played. And when you go to this recently played section right there, you can see it says a track must be played for more than 30 seconds. And here you will see all your history as to the track you played, the artist, and when you played them, you'll find them right over there. And this way you'll be able to find your Spotify music history. If you're not satisfactory with the particular results within Spotify, you can go to this website to do so. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.